everyone and welcome to this vlog. This isn't the day that I actually filmed the rest of the video. This is the day that I'm editing the video. So I just wanted to add this clip in because I don't know where the first clip went. I just wanted to add this bit in because I dropped Elisa off to nursery and then I came home and I filmed the next clip. So yeah, let's carry on watching the vlog. So I've just got home and my house is an actual mess. Look at this. This is the state of my living room. Awful. This is the state of my kitchen. Disgusting. Oh, I haven't told you yet, but I'm changing this red backsplash because I hate it so much, and I'm getting all of these in, but they are like a vinyl stick-on. I don't know if they're vinyl. There's like stick-on tiles. They come in big squares, and then you just stick them on and cut them up and stick them on. So I've basically done all of the bottom part, but I'm waiting for the tiles to come for that and for behind the sink as well. So that is going to be exciting. But yeah, that's what I'm doing in the kitchen. Then this is just the kitchen, and then the state of this room is bad too. So I'm going to try and get as much done as I can, because later on the plan is, my sister moved house yesterday, so I'm going to go and help her clean and sort out all of her bits and pieces, which means I need to get like a cleaning caddy ready, because I don't know why, I clean better with my own stuff, do you know what I mean? But yes, time to sort out some of this. So clever mum over here decided to forget Elisa's backpack at home, so now I have to go back to nursery to give it to her. Also, I was on the phone to the doctors and I was caller number 2 in the queue, and then it just went like, it just had a dial tone and then it went blank. So now I can't even get an appointment until 12:30, and I have to pick Elisa up at 1. So how ridiculous is that? I'm so annoyed. I've been waiting on the phone for about 15 minutes. How crazy. I'm gonna try and sort as much stuff out as I can, and then I need to go and give Elisa her backpack. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. So this room is basically done. Just a quick tidy up, clean the floor. Well, kind of need to do a little bit more, but I'm gonna sort this rocking chair out. Those lights here, I have some plans for them upstairs, but I was just trying to untangle them because they're doing my head in and I need to sort them out. But I just need to sort this rocking chair out. I cleaned the bathroom, the sink and the toilet and everything. But yeah, Issa's just having his little breakfast, aren't you? Was it nice? Did you have some toast? It still is a little bit messy, but it's much better than it was. And now I'm gonna start on the kitchen. I've basically done the kitchen, done the washing up everything. Haven't done the floor yet, but I'm gonna go to Elisa's nursery now, drop off her bag, and then I'm gonna come back. But I'm not gonna take my camera because it needs charging, so I'm gonna leave it on charge for now. Issa's ready to go. Are you ready to go? Yeah. He's really grumpy. I don't know why. Hopefully he'll be alright in the car. So I'm gonna go now. So I'm back from giving Elisa her bag, and now I'm gonna tackle this room. Look at the state of it. Disgusting. Disgusting. Hello. cutie.
I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving, romancing the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
So I'm now feeling so tired because I've finished doing all the cleaning. Issa is having a nap on the sofa. It's about 12 o'clock, almost 12 o'clock maybe. Let me see. It is 5 to 12 and I'm just going to wait until about 20 past, 25 past before I leave to go and take Issa to the doctor's and wake my husband up to go and get Elisa at 1 o'clock. So that is what I'm doing right now. I've just come outside for a bit of fresh air because I have the worst headache in the world, but it's so hot out here. I took 2 paracetamols because I just feel rubbish, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna wait until I need to leave. So it's a bit later now. These guys are sharing a McFlurry. Give him a little bit more, baby. Little bit, yeah, good girl. Perfect. They're being really cute. But we just parked outside a park and we might go have a little play, but I'm just waiting for my friend to bring her cousin, who's an electrician, over so that we can sort out my sister's oven, which she's really disappointed about because my dad tried fitting yesterday, but we need an electrician. So we're meeting them at my sister's house soon. So I thought I'd bring them here and have some ice cream before that. What's the matter, darling? Give him some more, please. Oh, lovely. Is that tasty? Elisa, you have a little bit. Give Issa a little bit. You have a bit, Issa a bit, okay? Take it in turns. Oh, good girl. You like it? Is it nice? I have all of my, well, not all of it. I have a lot of cleaning stuff over here so that I can, when I go to my sister's house, I can do some cleaning because they moved in yesterday, so it needs to be cleaned. Hello. Give Issa some. Good girl. I also went to the doctor's, got Issa's prescription, went to get it from the chemist and all that kind of stuff. Went home to pick up Elisa and this cleaning basket, and yeah, so I have been so busy. I literally haven't sat down today. I'm supposed to be cooking later as well, but I don't even know if I'm going to get around to it. It's so hot today. It's about 25 degrees or something crazy. We just dropped a bit of ice cream on the chair and I wiped it with a wet wipe, and then Issa's just had the wet wipe and he's like rubbing this. Hey, cleaning! Oh, good boy. You clever? Yeah. You clever too? Yeah. Are you sharing your ice cream? Yeah. So we're at the park and Elisa has befriended 2 little girls and she's just following them around and doing what they're doing. Issa is getting annoyed because they won't let him go on these little cat things, the little bouncy things. So I'll put him on here. I hope he's happy, but he's just distracted by everything else.
You got me crazy, doing concrete face, got me
now at my sister's new house, and Issa and Elisa are being a pain in the butt and not letting me do anything. Are you?
No.
I wanted to clean in the kitchen, but Issa just won't stop opening and closing cupboards and stuff, so I'm gonna have to just wait for a little bit and see what happens. Hopefully they'll chill out a little bit and then I can do some, but yeah. So Issa just fell asleep. It's probably about less than an hour later, probably about 45 minutes later. But now I'm going to tackle the kitchen. Hopefully get some of it done. A lot of it was done yesterday, but I'm just going to go over the cupboards a little bit and do the extractor fan. What the heck? That thing there. So that's what I'm going to do now.
You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know, baby, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up.
Look at the grime that is coming off there. That is disgusting. Okay, so can we just take a second to see the before and after? How disgusting is that? Oh my god.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you lock me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, is it hot? Oh, crap. Issa. Can you actually believe I'm ending a vlog? So I'm going to end it here. We are just going to eat our McDonald's.
Mommy.
And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Do you want to say bye, Lisa?
Bye.
Bye.
Hey.